Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. In today's video, I'm going to show you the deals that I grabbed at Walgreens for this week. If you remember from last week, I had kind of a frustrating experience with Walgreens. So I said I was going to do just curbside deals for a while. So this haul includes 2 different curbside transactions, and I was able to get all of it for free and made over $1 buying it all. So of course I'm going to tell you exactly how I did that here in just a moment. But if you enjoy shopping at CVS as well, you definitely want to check out the CVS video that I posted yesterday. I was able to get over $100 in products for free. So definitely stop by and check that out as well. As always, if you enjoy the content of my videos, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That way you never miss an awesome deal. All right, so let's jump into this. The first transaction that I did used a booster coupon that was a digital coupon that I clipped in the Walgreens app. And it was when you spend $20, you get $5 back in Walgreens cash. So that first transaction, I was doing it online as a curbside order, and I was trying to get to at least $20 to make sure I got that $5 back in Walgreens cash. So the first item that I grabbed were these Crest Scope mouthwashes. Now these are the smaller ones. Normally the deals are on the bigger ones, but these are the 500 milliliters. They are buy 3. So I bought 3 of them. You get a $3 register reward. Now, they are $2.99 each. So that's $8.97 for 3 of them. But there is a $5 off any 3 digital coupon. So I paid $3.97 and I got back $3 in register rewards. There is also an offer on the Ibotta app for 50 cents back. And that was a limit of 5, so I got $1.50 back on the Ibotta app, which made these completely free and a 53-cent moneymaker. Now, if you don't already have the Ibotta app, you definitely want to grab it. It is an awesome savings app. This is my referral code here. If you use that code, it unlocks welcome bonuses for you. If you have any questions, let me know. The second item that I grabbed in this transaction was the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner. I purchased the ones that had the greatest number in stock at my store. I've mentioned this before. When you do a curbside offer, you never want to buy something that only has a 1 in stock, because you don't want to run the risk of them not having it when they go to pull your order. So that's why I ended up I actually grabbed 2 shampoos because there were quite a few of these when I was looking at the inventory. These are $3.99 each, but there are 2 different coupons that apply to this. There is a $4 off to manufacturer digital coupon, and there is a $2 off to Walgreens coupon. And those do stack, which makes these $1.98 for both of them, or just 99 cents each. But don't forget, we're using that booster for spend 20, get $5 back. So that's how the entire haul ends up being free. Okay, so I got the scope, I got the shampoos, then I grabbed the Revlon tools. Now, this has been a deal for a while now. They're buy 2, get $3 in Walgreens cash back. So I bought the Revlon nail file, priced at $1.69. I bought the Revlon clippers, priced at $2.29. So it's $3.98 total, but you get $3 in Walgreens cash back, making it 98 cents for both of them. Now, if you have a Revlon coupon, this can be a money maker deal. I had a $4 off coupon last week, I believe. So I had already used mine, but check and see if you have a Revlon coupon, especially that $4 off too, because that can make this a hot money maker for you all. But again, I paid $3.98. I got $3 in Walgreens cash back, making it 98 cents for both of them. The last item I grabbed in that first transaction were these Carefree pads. This is the 54 count. They are priced at $4.29, but I had 2 different coupons apply when I was checking out. There is a $3 off 1 manufacturer's coupon, And then there is a $1 off 2 Walgreens coupon. However, when I put this in my cart, 50 cents came off. So the 50 cents applied to this, making it a total of 79 cents. All right, so my total for all of these items here came out to $10.72. Now, I had a coupon from when I picked up one of my curbside orders. They gave me a coupon for 25% off. Now, I believe that only applied to the non-sale items, so it took $1.69 off my total, leaving me to pay $9.03 out of pocket. And I did pay that out of pocket because it's the spend 20, get $5 back. All right, so $9.03 is what I paid. I got back the $3 in register rewards for Scope, $1.50 on Ibotta for Scope. I got back the $5 in Walgreens cash for spending 20 and the $3 in Walgreens cash for grabbing the Revlon, making it free and a $3.47 moneymaker. So that was an awesome transaction. And again, it went beautifully. Everything was good about it. No issues at all. All right, next up, I grabbed these Bayer chewables. So this is transaction 2, still a curbside deal. These are priced at $3.79 online. This is the Bayer Chewable 36 tablet. Now, I grabbed these because I noticed on my Fetch Rewards app, I had 2 different rebates. One was for any Bayer product, and that was $1.75 back. One was for any Bayer heart product, so any of the ones with this little heart on it, and that was $2 back. So it was $3.79, but Fetch Rewards gave me $3.75 back, making this just 4 cents. Now, if you aren't using the Fetch Rewards app, grab it using my referral code, because when you use it and scan your first receipt, you will get an additional $2 back. So it is a awesome, awesome deal. Honestly, I did not know if I would get credit for both offers since I was only buying one thing on the same receipt, but they did both apply. It gave me the 2,000 points, which is $2, and it gave me the 1,750 points, which is $1.75. So it made this a fantastic deal. So double check your Fetch Rewards app, see if you have both of those offers, and snag you some super cheap Bayer aspirin. The last deal that I grabbed online, and I have to say thank you to my friend Bree. Her channel is Bree, the Coupon Queen. She posted this over on her Instagram account, and when I saw it, I was like, okay, I have to go grab that deal as well. The lotions are buy 2, get 1 free. Okay, so I bought 3 of them, and the cheapest one is going to be the one that comes off as free. But there are some coupons that you can pair with this, making it a fantastic deal. So I grabbed 2 of the Vaseline lotions. These are priced at $3.49 each, and there is a $3 off 2 digital coupon that you can clip in your Walgreens account. And then I grabbed this Lubriderm lotion. This is the 6 fluid ounce. And this is priced at $3.79. This has a $2 digital coupon. So I paid the $3.79 and the $3.49. Since the $3.49 is the cheapest price, this is the one that came out to be free. The $3 off 2 for the Vaseline came off, and the $2 off 1 for the Lubriderm came off. So I paid $2.28 for all 3 lotions, or just 76 cents each. And so I thought that was a really great deal for 3 lotions. And I know some people are very brand specific when it comes to lotion. I actually like the Vaseline quite a bit, but 76 cents plus my moneymaker over here, it ends up making everything free. So I thought that was a pretty great deal for this week. If you guys have any questions about Walgreens, please let me know. I actually really enjoy it when you ask questions down in the comments, because I feel like I'm helping you. So as you're asking me the questions about register rewards or can I use points, absolutely ask me. I enjoy answering your questions. If you're not already following me over on my Instagram account, you can find me at Save with Christina, as well as on my Facebook page at facebook.com/savingwithchristina. I hope you all have a fantastic start to your week. Thanks.